What's up everyone, Bobby here from Speed Revolution and welcome back to the channel. So, you've got your helmet, your gear, and a map leading to somewhere awesome. But before you hit that dirt road and disappear into the horizon, let's run through the 5-minute pre-ride check that'll save your adventure from becoming a roadside breakdown. Let's get to it. First up, we're going to use a framework that the Motorcycle Safety Foundation made famous, T-CLOCS. It's an acronym that'll help you remember everything. It stands for tires, controls, lights, oil, chassis, and stands. We're going to tackle these one by one. T is for tires and wheels. This is your number one priority. Get down low. Check your pressure with a gauge. It's critical for changing terrain. Look for cuts, nails, or embedded rocks. Spin the wheels. Check for loose spokes or dings. Now, grab the tire and shake it hard at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Any play means a potential wheel bearing issue. Catch it now, not on the trail. C is for controls. This is everything you touch. Squeeze your brake and clutch levers. Do they feel firm? Wiggle your shift and brake pedals to make sure they're tight. Now, the most important test. Flick your throttle and ensure it snaps back instantly. A sticky throttle is a huge red flag. L is for lights. Turn the key on. Test your headlight, high beam, brake light, and both turn signals. Done. O is for oil and fluids. With the bike upright, check your oil level through the sight glass. Take a quick glance at your coolant reservoir to ensure it's between the lines. Look for any fresh leaks on the ground. The second C is for chassis. This is a big one. Check your chain should have about 1.5 inches of play. Is it clean and lubed? A dry chain is a weak chain. Now, bounce the bike on its suspension. Listen for any clunks or squeaks. Grab the handlebars and turn the forks lock to lock. It should be smooth. S is for stands. Kick your side, stand up and down. Does the spring snap it securely into place? A loose stand can fail on a hill or deploy on a bump. It's a simple thing that causes massive problems. Alright, the walk around is done. Now, start her up. Listen for any unusual noises. Check that no warning lights are on the dash. Pull the clutch in and click into first gear. Feel smooth? Perfect. You are now mechanically ready. And that's it. 5 minutes. Maybe 10 if you're really taking your time. This ritual isn't just about preventing disaster. It's about building confidence. When you know your bike is ready, you can focus on what really matters. The ride, the road, and the adventure. These checks become second nature. You'll start to notice subtle changes in how your bike feels, and you can catch small problems before they become big, expensive ones. Remember, the goal isn't to just get there, it's to get back. If you found this video helpful, do us a huge favor and hit that like button, and subscribe to Speed Revolution for more content that helps you ride smarter and safer.